This old guy DIY video has to do with troubleshooting a turbo nozzle from a Craftsman 1900 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer that has quit doing its little spinny turbocharge thing. So after watching a guy on the internet, I got a 6mm Allen wrench. I put the Allen wrench in the vise, then I took a channel lock and grabbed here and I turned it to the right because this one is a left-hand thread, so turning to the right actually loosens it. And then once I got the black plastic part away from the aluminum ferrule here, the pieces in the middle consist of this little turbo jet, an O-ring, and the plastic bearing surface. So when this thing sits down into the jet, that little surface is what's spinning basically like a top that we had when we were little kids in the bottom of the plastic thing. And looking at this, it's kind of scored, so I'm going to take a Dremel tool and try to clean that up a little bit. The other video I saw, the guy said there was evidence of damage on the back of this surface and on this plastic surface. But on mine, that surface looks just fine, so I don't think that's what's restricting the flow. And basically, it looks like the way this thing works is the water gets forced in there. It has two little holes cut in the side, so the water that comes in straight is then blown out to the side, which causes this thing to create a little tornado basically. And then the water gets inside that orifice, causes this thing to spin, and then the final ejection is right there out of that little spray tip. So I'm going to try to clean up this surface and get any little scratches and grooves off of there, put it back together, and see if it'll run. After polishing the tip and sanding that mating surface, the little turbo washer runs in turbo again.